Hello world, it's Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks here talking about friendship. What does it really mean and what is it? I think it means different things to different people, but from a dictionary point of view, it's a bond of mutual affection. So it unites people based upon this shared interest. So the question remains, what happens when that shared interest is no longer shared? Does the friendship continue to grow or does it dissolve? And that, I think we all have to define for ourselves. Do those friends become associates? Because then there's associates, people we associate with, but we don't share that many interests. It becomes a thing of proximity, right? That connectivity between many different peoples. Or are we colleagues? We forget this word colleagues, and this is my colleague. It's someone where you share a profession. There are varying degrees of a relationship, guys. So whether a friend, associate, or a colleague, once we define these things within our hearts, then I guess you know how to respond when you lose a friend. You must ask yourself, were they a friend to begin with? Friends must be unfriended. I guess associates you disassociate with. Colleagues, you gotta quit your job to get away from them. But hopefully you can build some fruitful friendships within work, among your colleagues. And hopefully, you can build some friendships within your associates. But I guess the biggest point here is that you don't have to be friends with everybody. It's not gonna happen. It doesn't need to be that way. And I'm Mr. Love Someone today. I'm jolly like, let's go, man. Love the world, embrace people, and empathy. But even I know I'm not friends with everyone because I can't share interests with everyone. I'm a specific type of guy. I'm unique. And there's other unique beings like myself, but there's other unique beings who are not like myself. I treat them with love, respect, and empathy. And we can be associates. But we're not friends. And that's okay. We can be friendly and do what we do. You enjoy your interest, I enjoy mine. That's my word today. That's how you love someone today. You can love, man. You can even love an enemy who's neither a friend, an associate, nor a colleague. This is an enemy way over on the other side, someone who may want to wish harm upon you or put you in a difficult position or take something from you. You can still love them from a distance. And that's the key. It's that distance. It's that quality of the relationship. You can control that, but you don't have to stop loving. You can continue to love. And maybe that's where I'm trying to get to today. I still love you all. Some I can love you right up here, but others I'm gonna have to love from back here. Regardless of where I stand, I love you. All right, man? And go out there and you guys can do the same. Let's change this world with our hearts, change this world with our hearts, and then from there, work our way into our minds. All right? At Mark Drew Speaks, I'm out.